we got Huawei P9 Lite charging port replacement. The customer bring this device telling us that the device is not charging anymore. I have put the charger on, there is no sign of any charging and barely the charger going on the charging port. So I'm going to open the device. You can heat up the back plastic cover at 2 Celsius degree every 30 seconds. The screen is broken of this device. The customer didn't mention to replace the screen, he just want the device to be working and charging again. We just do what the customer told us to do. I had speed this up a little, so I wanted you to see the full removing the back plastic piece. I'm sorry for the bad resolution. I didn't notice the camera wasn't recording in full 4K frame. Someone has played with the settings. I didn't notice that, so the video is not that best quality. But anyway, I had to share this with you, no matter what the quality is. Start detach the back. There's adhesive in the middle of the back. You can use the plastic tools to put it inside so you can remove it easily. The fingerprint flex cable is inside the shield, so you won't be able to break it or damage it, but always work with patience and with care. I will leave you for a few seconds. Finally, we have removed the back. The glue is very strong. Now remove all the screws from the bottom area. Remove the loudspeaker. I'm always advised to unplug the battery before proceed. I was in hurry, I didn't unplug the battery, but I prefer you to unplug the battery first. Unplug the antenna, then remove the flex cable connected the main board to the charging board. There is adhesive under the charging board, so it's better to heat the adhesive so we can make it soft, and then we can just take out the charging port. Okay, in this case you can just replace the whole charging board with a new board and your problems should be gone and solved. But in this case I'm going to proceed with replacing the charging port itself. The customer asks for a low price cost, so I'm going to do the repair with this low cost. So now it's out, I'm going to put it in the holder, then we are going to replace the charging port. Put some solder to the pins of the new charging port. As I told you, sorry for the bad resolution, I didn't notice that on the camera. After all pins are soldered, we can then remove the old charging port. Put some soldering paste flux, it's Amtic flux. The weather here is very cold, it's winter, so I barely can push the flux. The degree is about 5 Celsius here, so it's barely going on the tube. I'm always prefer to use the heat gun with the soldering iron so you can remove the board easily. Now we need to remove the glue. It's from the company. We need to take it down so we can put the new charging port without any problem. It's almost gone. Now we are going to solder the pads. Now clean it with alcohol. I'm always using 99% alcohol. You can use something not less than 80%. I'm using the knife to remove whatever left from the adhesive. The adhesive is not taking out. I don't want to scratch the board, so I'm going to use the heat gun with the knife. to remove it. Yeah, with the heat it's better to remove the adhesive. Now everything is excellent. Now we can put the new charging port. You can heat the board for a few seconds, then put the new one. Wait for a few seconds until it goes in position. Let's check the pads if they are all connected or not. It seems they all connected, it's not moving. So now we are going to assemble and test and see if the problem has been gone or not. Connect the flex cable, then connect the antenna. Now you can test, but I'm going to proceed. I am positive of my work. Put back the loudspeaker and screw it down, and then put the charger and check if the phone is starting charging. Yes, the problem has been solved. And that's it. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.